Hello, I'm Dr. Ramya Shenoy. I'm a professor and head of the Department of Public Health Dentistry, and I have 30 years of experience serving this MCOTS Mangalore. So, being a proud alumni of this MCOTS Mangalore, where I did my undergraduate study, postgraduate studies, and I pursue my PhD here, I've seen how MCOTS growing from 1991 to 2024. For students here, there's an environment which is very supportive, creative, and they can choose their specialty as they grow with us during their undergraduate studies as well as in postgraduate studies. So this is different from other institutions. Basically, the teachers and students relationship here, which we come across by our students as they join other institutions when they start pursuing higher studies. This information comes to us from our undergraduate students who have joined different institutions when they pursue postgraduate studies. So students who joined MCOTS Mangalore, culturally different, I would say. They come from all parts of India, and we used to have students from Malaysia also. But once they come here, what we see is they are very comfortable reaching to us. We could see transformation from their first BDS to when they reach during their internship. There's a lot of transformation, which is good. As a teachers, we are very much approachable to them. We help them for their studies, that is academics, as well as their holistic growth. So that our department contributes to corporate social responsibility. So each institute has to have CSR activity, and our students will come across patients who are visiting our dental college who mostly of middle class. So to reach to the lower class is our outreach program, and in this outreach program they come across lower class community and they will assess their oral health status, and they will see what exactly is the need of the dental treatment for them. And we take them to rural places so they could see the cultural difference in the city and the rural setup. So that is how our students will learn, they see, they do, and they grow. So there are some changes we have done in the Department of Public Health Dentistry to do well in future. So for example, we have introduced comprehensive oral care in one of the centers. That is one thing. And the second thing, we have MOUs with the international universities where our postgraduate students can visit and do the observership and understand the setup in the foreign universities and come back and see what is required or what changes they have to do when they go to foreign university for higher education. And the third thing, we have started with the bench test course where we are training our scholars specifically how to take the foreign exams and how to take interviews. And we have also have a MOU with the BP Koirala Institute of Health Science, Nepal. We want to make our student to understand both the setups of dentistry, both in the international developed countries as well as in the lower class countries. So we wanted to have that experience for our students, so though we have come up with the MOUs, which is very active in place, and if the students are willing, they can go there and do the observerships. Being an alumni of this institute, as a member of MAHE family from 1991, what I have seen, MAHE has a value, integrity, transparency, quality, human touch, and teamwork. And from 1991, I have seen these values, and which makes us as a teachers, and also I have seen students growing with these values when they come out as a product of MCOTS Bangalore and they carry this value with them. The message I would give it to the students who are joining and who are studying here, change is very important. We have to change with the situation, but that change has to be good, and updating our knowledge is also very, very important. So we cannot stop learning. Learning should be a continuous process. I feel the future is bright for the students here at MCOTS Bangalore.